guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how to make an ear relief strap. So if your face mask is hurting your ears, behind your ears, if the elastic is pulling too tight, I'm going to show you a quick way to give your ears some relief. So for this strap, you're going to need a piece of ribbon, and I cut mine at 9.5 inches. You're going to need 2 buttons. You're going to need your scissors, a needle, and thread, and you'll either need some fray check, or you could possibly burn the ends of your ribbon so that it doesn't fray. Okay, so my ribbon, I cut it at 9.5 inches. And so first you're going to take the end and you're going to just fold it back about 1 inch. Okay, so it just looks like this. Then you're going to place your button over the top of it. Make sure you get it where that it's folded so that it's double. And you're going to take your needle and thread and you're just going to sew the button onto the ribbon. Okay, same steps on your other side. So just take your ribbon, fold it under about 1 inch, and then you're just going to sew the button on this side too. Same steps. Just make sure you've tied your thread at the end. Okay, this is how the back of the strap looks. And this is how the front looks. So it's going to go at the back of your head, and then you'll just hook the elastic strap that goes over your left ear, over this button. Over your right ear, you'll hook the elastic over this button. That way your ears get some relief. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I hope everyone's feeling good and staying safe.